Hey guys, this is Kevin from JazTime.com. JazTime.com is an online store that buys, sells, trades authentic luxury watches. We make these videos so our customers can easily choose the best watch for themselves in the comfort of their own home. We offer the lowest prices anywhere online, and if you would like to know the price, simply click on the links in the description below. If you enjoy our videos, we would greatly appreciate if you would buy a watch from JazTime.com once in a while. Okay, so today we'll be reviewing the Rolex Datejust 41. This is the model number 126334. We'll be going over the dial, bezel, case crown, bracelet, clasp, and we'll talk about the movement towards the end of the video. So we're going to go ahead and jump right into the dial. The dial is a white dial with index hour markers. The index hour markers are fashioned in 18 karat white gold to prevent any tarnishing, while also being a highly legible chrome light display with long-lasting blue luminescence. So you have a wonderful blue glow in the dark for visibility at night, and it's already very visible and easy to read during the day. The Datejust 41 dial structure is very simple. It has a Rolex crown logo at the 12 o'clock position, the date window at the 3 o'clock position, and a Cyclops lens on top of that sapphire crystals for magnification and easier viewing of that date. As the Datejust watch is a dressier watch, there are numerous configurations you can get the dial in. So specifically for the index hour markers, you like the index hour markers, you like being able to read the watch in the dark, you can get in a silver, black, blue, white, or rhodium colored dials. For more luxurious options, you don't really care about reading the watch in the dark. You want to have more formal occasions with it. You can have diamond hour markers in either the blue, black, or rhodium dial colors. And if you just want to go over the top in luxury, then you can get the white mother of pearl dial with diamond hour markers as well. But moving on to the bezel now. The bezel is a beautiful fluted bezel. This fluted bezel captures light in numerous different ways. As you can see, as I tilt it from the left to the right, you can see that there's contrasting shadows but highlighted areas of that bezel, and it's just absolutely magnificent under sunlight and such, in pairing with the top of the lugs and the bottom of the lugs, nice high polish that really encompasses the dial with a nice shine to it, and it really brings forth more of that sort of unique look to the face of the watch. Now specifically for the case size, as we move on to the case size now, we have a 41mm case size, as the name states, Datejust 41. So from my index finger to my thumb here, that's 41mm in diameter. For the side profile of the case, you can see very beautiful high polish from the side of the case down to the sides of the bracelet. But one thing to mention, that the previous model, the 116334, used to have a larger style case, and the Datejust 41, they've updated the case size to be a lot slimmer, and also the bezel as well to not be as protruding from the top of the case as well, so it's nicely slimmed down overall, so it has a nice sleek look to it on your wrist. On the other side of the case, we have nice high polish again, matching with the sides of the bracelet, but also the Rolex crown logo on the crown itself. As we move on to the crown functions now, the crown is a twin lock double waterproofness system. Just unwinds counterclockwise as shown. In the standard position, you can wind the watch about 15 to 20 winds is all you need to get the watch started once more. Pulling the crown out to the next position will allow you to adjust the date instantaneously by going clockwise. As you can see at the 3 o'clock position, how easy it is and how quickly the date adjusts. Pulling the crown out to the final position will stop that seconds hand. As you can see, stops between the 25 and 30 second mark. And then you can also adjust the hands bidirectionally as shown. Additionally, the stopping of the seconds hand does allow you to set the time to an atomic clock online down to the exact seconds. Pressing the crown back in will start that seconds hand once more, and always make sure to screw the crown nice and tight in against the case, as you want to keep the watch water resistant for up to 100 meters or 330 feet. Moving on to the bracelet now, we have an oyster style bracelet, very beautiful 3-piece link bracelet, sand finish or brush steel on the outer of the 3-piece links, while the center of the links have a nice high polish to it, really contrasting from the sand finish to the high polish, as you can see from the lug. So high polish, sand, high polish, sand, high polish really adds a nice shine, really complement each other. As we move to the back of the bracelet where the clasp is located, you can see that pattern continues through as well with the Rolex crown logo on the clasp itself. And then moving on to the other side of the bracelet, you can see that pattern continues all the way throughout. Very nice tapering from the first link downwards towards the back of the clasp, as it had a nice proportionate view of the watch. as you can see, like so. And moving back onto the clasp is just a very simple folding oyster clasp. Opens up as so. And we see the Rolex name embossed onto the high polished clasp plate there. Very beautiful. So that's how the bracelet looks opened up. Closed off. Nice curvature of the clasp blade to match with the bottom of the wrist for comfortability. And now we move on to the movement, which is housed in this simple oyster case backing. Nice high polish around the edge of it, while it tops off with a nice satin finish as well. So specifically for the movement is an updated movement from the 3135 movement. It's now the caliber 3235 movement, manufactured by Rolex themselves. It's a perpetual mechanical self-winding movement. Has a precision of the Swiss specs of the -2 + 2 seconds a day, as stated by the 6 o'clock position on the dial as well. You can see that superlative chronometer is officially certified. The functions of the movement operate the hour, minute, and second hand, instantaneous changing of the date with rapid setting, and also the stopping at second hand that I've shown you with the current functions. The oscillator has not been changed. It's the same oscillator, which is a paramagnetic blue paracomb hairspring, which gives the watch additional resistance against magnetism. But what they actually updated in this 3235 movement up from the 3135 is that they added the high performance Paraflex shock absorbers, which is Rolex's in-house made shock absorbers, that they claim absorb 50% more shocks than the industry standard KIF shock absorbers. The powers of the watch has been upgraded as well, which is used to be a 48-hour power reserve, but now it is a 70-hour power reserve. So you can put this watch down on a Friday evening, pick it back up on a Monday afternoon, and be keeping time just fine. Now let me actually go ahead and show you this watch on my wrist now. So locate that folding oyster, close off. You can see very beautiful, the oyster bracelet, very beautiful with the high polish being contrasted by the sand finish, sort of bordering it around all the way throughout, and really makes a very beautiful pattern. That fluted bezel is just absolutely gorgeous, one of a kind thing to sort of have that light just being able to be picked up in different various portions of the face of the watch, so it doesn't really doesn't look like one complete shine. Doesn't really makes it more eye-catching than just a nice straight shine overall. You can see how thin that profile is on top of the wrist. If you're interested to see the exact thickness of it, we do have a comparison of the previous model, the 116334, versus the this model, the newer style model, to see that sort of comparison between the two sizes. But if you're interested in this watch, check out our webpage at JazTime.com. We have this model and many other models for lowest prices guaranteed. We offer a 1-year warranty. And if you like the video, please like, comment, subscribe below. Thanks for watching. Hope to see you guys soon.
If you want to find out more about the watch you just saw in the video, you can just click below on Show More to see the full description. Then you can check the link next to model as seen in video. Click on it and you will get to the proper page where you can see all the details. If you're watching on a mobile phone, you have to click on the arrow down on the right hand side below the video to see the full description. If you like this video, please give us a thumbs up. If you would like to share this video with your friends, you can use the share button below and share it on any platform you like. If you have questions, constructive feedback, want to tell us about some mistakes or misspeaks, just write a comment below. If you want to see more videos like this, you should subscribe to our channel and visit our channel page where you can find all the videos. And if you're interested in a specific watch brand, you can check out our playlists. If you want to check the price for a watch or want to buy one, remember at JazTime.com you always get a steep discount, so you should check the prices with us. If you want to know the price for a specific watch, just go to Google, type in JazTime, plus the brand, model, and the details you're interested in, and Google will find the right page for you. Thank you for watching.